welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know that I'm new here at this channel, but I wanted to show you my little tricks or my little makeup school routine that I was using while I was going to school, and I think that it's really also popular now. So I think this can help any teenage girl. So if you like this look that you can see on me right now, keep watching. First of all, I will be putting my powder on my face right now. I'm using this Rimmel London powder. It's called Match Perfection because I have a really light skin tone. I'm using the lightest color of this powder. So actually it's not that bad. I think that for school makeup, for everyday makeup, this powder is okay, especially for ones who have dry skin, of course. Then I will be using my beauty blender to blend this powder in my face. Like you can see, I have the thick ones, so I'm usually using this eyebrow pencil just to make them look a little bit darker, just like my hair is. So I think this is a perfect way for all the schoolgirls, beginners, because this is the easiest way actually. Of course, my eyebrows are not going to stay like this because I'm going to blend them, and for that I'll be using this little brush that is actually from my old mascara. So this is a perfect way for everyone who don't have any money to buy this, well, a regular brush, right? But this is the opportunity for you to not throw the money away because you can use the old mascara one, right? And I will blend it just like this. So just like you can see, I'm getting the smoother and prettier look for my eyebrows. After blending them, I'm always using this Essence concealer for my eyebrows. This concealer is actually long-lasting one, so I'm using this just to make the shape of eyebrows that I wanted, right? So I'm using this one. I'll be showing you right now how. And after that, I'll be using this little sponge just to make this little concealer go away, and I will have the shape of eyebrows that I actually wanted. I think this is the best method for the eyebrows, so I've been using this method for like I don't know, maybe 3, 4, or 5 years even. I think this is just the easiest and fastest way to do your eyebrows. Of course, if your eyebrows doesn't match like mine doesn't now, you're going to use the eyebrow pencil and just fix it a little bit where you need it. A new pair of eyebrows, right? So let's continue with makeup. For today's school makeup look, I will be using some light colors that I have in my palette. So first of all, I'll be using this one. This one is Essence palette called Born Awesome. I also use this one because I have a little mirror right here, so it's just easier, right? First color actually that I'm going to use is going to be this light one. As you can see, here are some of the palettes that I use the most, some of the colors, and these colors are actually for my everyday makeup, but for today's one, I'm going to use this one. I think it's the best one because for school, you don't want to have dark makeup or full glam makeup, you just want to look natural, right? So let's get started with this little lighting, and we'll just put it on my eye, and I will blend it a little bit. Like this. And now for the corner of my eye, if you want to look a little bit edgy, not so casual, it would be perfect for use some colorful color at your palette that you have. Because I'm using this palette, I can use maybe the orange one or the dark orange one. Well, I think I'm going to go with the orange one today, so I will be using this one now, and I will just put it in the corner of my eye. It's going to look just like a little eyeliner, right? I think it's super cool because it looks different and now I'm going to fix the color that is popped out below my eye. So I'm going to fix it and to put it some little powder. We can use the same one just to make it go away and blend it in. And because it's everyday makeup, I don't want to make some look where I'm putting my contours and everything. I will be putting just a little bit of blush on my cheeks. I usually prefer to use the brown colors. So right now I'm using this one, actually this palette. It's made for eyebrows, but because I'm not using the shadows, I'm only using the pencil. I'm using these 4 palettes, so it looks actually like this, and I'm going to take this lighter color and to put it on my cheekbones. Because the point is you only want to have a little bit up your cheekbones, because the point is that you only want to show your cheekbones a little bit. You don't want to have full glam nude makeup on for your school, right? To have curly eyelashes, so this thing is actually perfect. I actually have I think it's weird for me to talk like this, but let's keep that. I actually have long lashes, but they are really light, so you just can't see them on your own. I always need to use mascara. And at this moment, I'm using this Max Factor 200 Calorie Dramatic Volume 1. So I think it's pretty cool. Brush is also okay. I think it looks really nice. So you will see how it looks on my eyelashes, of course. And I will put just a little bit, and I think that you already can see the difference between my lashes. I think it looks really nice. So let's keep that to the other eye, right? Don't forget to put a little bit of mascara on your bottom lashes, because I think they are really important. You don't need to put that much, but I think it's important for you to put a little bit. So the last but not least thing that I'm going to do are my lips. Of course, you can't go anywhere without some color on your lips, right? So, because I didn't put that dark makeup on me, I'm going to put a little bit darker lipstick or pencil or something that I will find perfect at the moment. I think that I will be using this lipstick. This is color 16. Delia Cosmetics. So it's actually really dark, like you can see, but I'm going to put it with my brush, so it will look like this actually. This is actually perfect color because it's going to give some warm, springly, summerly look to your lips, because it doesn't matter that because it's autumn, because it's fall, we need to look fresh, right? So, everyone, this is my perfect makeup school look. So this is how I do my regular makeup, and I hope that I gave you some cool ideas how you can do your easy school makeup look, and the point is to look fresh, look nice, look young. So I hope you guys like it, and if you love this video, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile that is going to pop right here. So I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!